Hello and welcome back to my channel TechSada. So today we will be looking at the Realme Buds Air Neo, which was launched recently on 25th May 2020. This is going to be the first look of Realme Buds Air Neo. Without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, as you can see, in the front they have branded the AirPods, and in the side they have written Realme, and in the back they have written some specifications of this AirPods, and in the down they have written some other details. So now let's open this box. And guys, I have got this AirPods from the Flipkart at the price 2,999, but the real price of this AirPod is 3,999. And guys, those who want to know the color variety of this AirPod, I want to say that it comes in the green and red color apart from the white, which will be released next month. As you can see here, the set of AirPods. So now let's take it out. And guys, this is the user manual. And guys, here is the charging cable for charging this AirPod case, and this is other user manual. So guys, now let's talk about some main specifications of this AirPods. So this Realme headset has an R1 True Wireless chip and Bluetooth 5.0 along with the dual channel transmission technology to offer an instant, stable and disturbance free connectivity. And this is super low latency mode, which will sync between the audio and video while watching videos and playing your favorite games. As a result, you experience immersive audio visual entertainment. And guys, this AirPod also have 6-month warranty and one touch Google Assistant, and this headset offers up to 17-hour playback time. Also, you get initiative battery information on your smartphone, and this is lightweight and comfortable to wear, and this is also water and sweat resistant while working out. And guys, this AirPods has 13mm bass boost driver and has intelligent touch control. And guys, this AirPod has the button for on and off, and in the down it has the charging point for charging this case. So guys, now let's take out the AirPods from this charging case. And guys, as you can see, in the back here it has the charging point, and in the middle it has the microphone, and these are the speakers. And also guys, when you flip the upper cover of this AirPod case, it will connect automatically to your device. So now let's try connecting this to our device. So guys, now let's first turn on our device Bluetooth, and then open this AirPod box and press this button for 3 seconds. So guys, as you can see, the charging or the AirPod is turned on, and you can see the notification here, Realme AirBuds Air Neo. So now let's connect this device to our AirPod. Let's tap on this, and as you can see, it is connecting. So now let's try playing some song and test the sound and the bass response. So now let's play this faded song. So first of all, let's remove these AirPods. and then play this song. And guys, when you tap for 2 times, the music will stop automatically or pause, and when you will tap this for 3 times, the music will change. And guys, I want to say that I have used the earpods for the 10 minutes and the bass response and the sound quality is very clear and good, and I recommend you to buy this. So thank you guys. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. We'll meet in the next video. And also guys, subscribe to Techsada and press the bell icon and select all.